Why does your scanner show the P0182 engine code? What does it mean? P0182 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel temperature sensor A, circuit low. It indicates the power train control module is receiving a voltage signal from the fuel temperature sensor that's lower than expected. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel temperature sensor. Wiring problems. Defective PCM. Contaminated fuel. Exhaust leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Nissan, Mercedes, Chevy, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.